when I'm recording, it's around 5,000. So if you win a lottery in Canada, the entire money is yours. You don't pay any taxes. Be it a million, 10 million, 80 million, the entire money is yours. Now, I don't know why I'm making this video, but I thought it can be helpful for some of you. Whenever I would walk into shopping mall or grocery store, I would find these forms kept all over the lottery ticket counter, and I was too shy to ask how to play a lottery. Now, that's what I'm going to explain in today's video. I'll show you everything what is here one by one. Before we even get into the video, know your limit, play within it. All of these have encore. You can see here, play encore. So any of these you buy, you can also add encore with that. The retail store and pick this form. This is pick 4. It has 2 draws daily and usually timings are mentioned, and each play cost $1. You can see here $1 given. You have option of straight play or box, so depending on what you. Now the top price here gets shown always, like when I'm recording, it's around 5,000. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you pick 4 digits from here, okay, for one ticket. For example, I'm picking 0, 2, 3 and 5. So these are my pick. So this becomes my pick, and then when I say straight play, it is for straight play, and then it will cost $1 for this. In case I want to add encore, then whatever selection I make, say I make 2. So this is, when I select 2, it will be $2, 1 per play. $2 plus 1, $3. And then in case I want to go and play this up 10 draw in a row, whatever I choose, say I choose $10, 10 as the selection. So it will be 1 plus 2, 3 into 10, 30. So I'll be paying 30 to the retail. So this is how the form gets filled. In case you make any mistake, don't worry, you just do void and that particular won't be selected by the retailer. To know the winning number, I have the OLG app on my mobile. That's the easiest. And once you have that and you scan, you get instant message on WhatsApp. Congratulations, $2. So for this Lotto 649, I won $2 more. Again, likewise, when you scan, sometimes you get to play again, like you can see here, and sometimes you don't win. So these are the few options. You can also go to the retail outlet where they have the scanner, and you can get to scan and see if you have had any winning. So friends, lottery is a game of luck, and not everyone can win. I sometimes play for fun. There's nothing which can replace hard work and being smart. So when I say being smart, there are many other opportunities like having your own business, starting something which you are passionate about, dedicating time there, and being smart about what you do. So there are many other videos you can go and watch on my channel where I have shown how to start a business, how we can go and find permit, licensing, all those aspects of business which might be handy to you, and you are not trying there on your luck, but being smart and putting some effort towards your own success story. I hope this helps. Thank you.